Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? It's the Revive King, and you are in the lab with New Life Kicks. Today, we got a pair of 2016 SpaceJams, and we're gonna be reversing the oxidation, man. Come learn how to ice them the new way. So our area of focus on these are going to be the yellow soles. As you can see, they're very worn. They're black. As you can see, they're still super yellow. And things that you want to keep in mind whenever you ice a sneaker is, have this sneaker been iced with any other solution? The great thing about these is that they've never been iced with any other solution. So let's check it out. Today I'll be using the NuSole Brush, the NuNylon Scrub, the NuEraser Sponge, the Nu Antidote, of course, and a few white microfiber towels. The right shoe tends to get more dirty, so we're gonna clean the right shoe first. If you have suede uppers, be sure to wrap them so you can protect them from any dirt or solution. First, I'm gonna spray water, then the Nu Antidote, and then I'm gonna begin scrubbing with the NuSole Brush. This brush is super stiff and will help knock off heavy, stubborn dirt. The nylon scrub is textured and perfect for removing dirt embedded into the natural texture of the sole. Sometimes I wrap a screwdriver with a microfiber to get in small, tight areas. The NuEraser Sponge is going to give you that super duper close clean. Rotate between this and the nylon scrub to really knock off as much dirt as possible. Be sure to thoroughly rinse after the cleaning process. Now that the cleaning is complete, it's time to place the sneakers under UV light. For the best results, make sure you remove 100% of the dirt and use a UV light that's at least 1000 watts and leave them in the box for at least 18 hours. No need to reapply the solution in between. All right, guys, so we're back after our first session. We left them in the box from Friday afternoon to about Monday morning. That's almost 60 hours. As you can see, a lot of the oxidation has been removed. However, we still can get more clarity. So let's reapply the solution. The reapplication is very simple. We're going to use the same tools we use to clean. The objective is to remove visible dirt and scrub the dark, heavily worn areas to get the Nu Antidote to penetrate the cellular structure. Now I'm going to take my nylon scrub. This is for a little bit more detailed cleaning. This can help get inside some of those grooves. And now I'm gonna go place my sneakers back inside the box. No Saran Wrap, no tape. Place them right inside your box, just like this, guys. The more times you repeat this process, the better your results. In total, we ran 5 sessions for at least 48 hours each. The best part about all of this is that you can remove oxidation without chemical burns or killing your traction. Just check out those results. Evolve the way you maintain your kicks using Nu shoe elements. New life is shoe life.